Hello everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make this traditional soup. In Tree we call it Ab3nkwan or Ab3nkwan, and that is what I'm going to show you how to do now. So come with me to the kitchen, let's get started. So I'm going to start off by steaming my meat. I have beef shanks that I cut into pieces. I'm also going to add smoked catfish, also dried herrings, and these are the proteins that I'm using. If you don't want and you want any other protein, you can even use chicken as well. I just rinsed my bowl and added to the meat and fish. I'm adding onions, garlic, tomatoes. I'm going to cover, let it steam until the vegetables are soft. Now I am going to mix my palm nut paste with warm water. So this is how it looks like. For the sake of those who do not know what palm nuts look like, they look like this. Back there, you have to pick the fruits like this, boil and pound in a mortar to extract your soup base. Thankfully, we do not have to go through all that extra work because it has already been made in a paste form. So now I am going to give it a little stir so it does not stick to the bottom. I am doing this because the dried fish tends to be a little bit harder. So doing it this way, steaming it with the meat, makes it a lot more easier to chew. If you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I appreciate all that you do. So now vegetables are done. I'm taking them out to blend. I'm also going to add a thumb size of ginger to it. So that is the ginger. I'm also going to add 1 habanero to it. That is to my taste. So if you want more spiciness in your soup, go ahead and add more habanero peppers, okay? I'm going to blend and add it back to the pot. I'm gonna be showing you something toward the end of the video, so don't go nowhere, stay tuned. So this is our blended vegetables. I'm going to rinse the blender and add it to the pot, just like so. And the consistency of your soup is totally up to you. If you want it more lighter, go ahead and add more water. If you want it to be thick, then reduce the amount of water you use to mix your palm nut paste, okay? Now you can use a strainer to strain your soup base, but I am doing it this way because I do not want that chaff, that black thing. I don't want it in my soup. So use a strainer if you don't mind and strain it. It smells good in the kitchen. The soup is going to be one delicious soup, and I wish you were here to eat it with me. Now here comes the best part. This is Aiden fruit. I baked it a little bit in the oven so that it can reduce its natural oil and infuse my soup. Aiden fruit, or precursor, is native to West African countries. One of the things I like about it is its property to reduce blood glucose concentration in type 1 and type 2 diabetes. You can also make it in a powdered form and add it to your soups and stews. It is so good. If you want to know more about its health benefits, just do your research, okay? Now I'm adding salt to my soup, and I'm also boiling some yam on the side. This is also mackerel that I baked. I'm also adding some baked fish and some mushrooms. Also, don't forget to add basil. If you have fresh, that's okay. I have the dried one, so I'm adding a couple of leaves. If you have fresh, use the fresh one. Don't forget about the basil. It's gonna take the taste of your soup to the next level. This soup goes well with mutuo, with bangkung, with fufu. Just add a little bit of okra to it and you are good to go. Today, I am going to enjoy mine with yam. If you see the oil settles on top like this, your soup is ready. The habanero pepper is for those who enjoy spiciness. Look at this. Akona kona kono. Hey, now peden. Enjoy, ya. I'll see you next time in my next video. Thank you for watching. Adios. And please don't forget to subscribe.